Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back for a new tutorials on Eliel Smile. So today I'm going to be explaining to you how to use this one, a servo motor. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. You can do a lot of things, like when you see robots and they're doing a lot of movement like that, it's just with a servo motor. So this one is only doing 180 degrees, not 360. How to code it? It's pretty simple. I'm going to be teaching to you how to use this one. At the end of this video, you're going to be able to use this one. Okay, let's go guys. So this is our servo motor. Okay, so the black one is going to the ground and it's connected to the first cable here. So we're just going to go ahead and take it and plug it in on ground here. Then the second one is red, is connected to red, which will be our 5 volts or 3.3, that depends on you. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in on 5 volts. And the third one will be yellow connected to orange, which will be our plugin for plugin number 7. This will be our outputs, what the command is gonna come from. Okay, so it plug in, everything is ready. So we're just gonna run the code and see how it's gonna work. Thank you guys for watching this video on how does a servo motor works. So now it's pretty simple for you guys. So now you can use it as you want without any trouble, any problem. So I will see you next time. And if you guys have any suggestion, any question, you're welcome to ask your question. I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. See you guys.